ain't in a good state.
This is why you don't do backseat passengers. You ain't got an Uber badge on the car, so how's there so much man coming in the back? How do you even cheat in the back of here with crisps? You can get Pringles in there, you can give a bloody infection.
Bro, this car ain't big enough to cheat.
Nah, trust me, you can make doing a Scirocco art. Allegedly. This is looking restored now. Oh, and you got your terabytes. This should give the car more horsepower, innit?
2 terabytes.
2000 TB.
Oh, that's all oil. All of this shit.
Yeah, but it's burnt into everything.
Yeah, because the gasket cover's blown. Oh, shit.
What?
My tools.
No way. Fancy seeing them up. How the hell do I put the seat back? Your seat don't work. Am I gonna have to do this manually? Yeah, I feel like we need to adapt to a new audience on here, you know. It's always the same guys. We'll adapt into the younger generation. 6, 7. Oh, it's a crow. That's bad luck.
What happens if you actually have an accident? So you're a trailer. The gender.
What's she doing? What's she doing? What? My man's just doing laps. Do you want to know something about this car? I used to have PTSD from this car because I got run over by one.
What?
Yeah, years ago when I was little, on a school. I think I mentioned it, you know. I don't know, it's not that much of an interesting story. Some car was turning into his drive and I was on my bike and I got clattered. But it was this car, and then for time I had PTSD for the front of these cars.
I can clearing all that rubbish out as I did that 3 brake horsepower.
Yeah man, there's less weight in the car. S-Class versus me off the line. He's got his hill assist and all of that, come on mate. We're using old school cable power. I'm not gonna run you over. I don't think how she actually thinks if I don't go quick I'm gonna run her over. Obviously I'm not gonna run you over, I've got a camera on my head.
Oh, you got a lovely Christmas tree here.
Thank you. Nah, I hate this, you know. They used to put trees everywhere, now they put these little strings.
Oh, that's not good.
Christmas has become soul. Don't you think that's so soulless? It's not homegrown, nothing special about it. They've just put some LED strips from Temu up and called it Christmas. Christmas has got no soul. Christmas used to be colourful, vibrant, and now it's just black, grey, gold, white. It's just dead. No emotion, and it's why I reckon that society's got such a big patch over it. There's no colour about it. Everything's black and white and grey. The LEDs are cheap as well.
LEDs are so cheap. Bro.
LEDs is the cheapest thing you can buy, bro. I'm pretty sure LEDs are easier to access than water. And you get RGB every colour, dances to the music if you put another £1 in. You know what I mean?
Oh, no, you're joking.
Yeah, they're rolling in the Ago, the police.
It's not real.
No, I think that's just there for fun, innit? You know when there's too many officers, like a bunch of them just finished uni, so like I put 2 of them in the Ago. Let them, you know what I mean? Let them be happy.
That Ago ain't catching shit.
They're probably catching us, bro, I'm not gonna lie. Come on, bro, I reckon we need some boost, mate. Back the thing over. Don't be messing with a Corsa with a laptop. You don't know what tune we've got pending. You even got battery in there. You know what? It does feel faster since you open that laptop.
New map.
New map. This isn't CS:GO, mate. What you reckon to the urban city POV? You like my bridge? Yo, I think my maintenance man here is trying to have a go. I swear he's on the wrong side of the road. You reckon he's playing a prank?
You've got everything in yours.
Thank you, mate. I think it's a bit boring, personally. I feel like we've got nothing to do, like, other than go to the shop or eat some food.
No, I think that's a society thing.
Worldly issues, don't you fucking dare try to plow me, mate. You take your bloody time. With what? What's your intro? Smell?
Burning.
It does smell of burning, doesn't it?
Well, it's someone's dirty car. I don't think it's.
They don't think it's ours. Well, a part of us thinks it's ours.
It's raising too many alarm bells.
What, Raisin Canes? Don't you think every food is so crap? Like, what can you really eat in society? Steak, eggs, burger. There's no, like, I'm so bored of it.
You want something different?
No, I just don't want something full stop. I think I've grown out of food. I'm at that age now where I don't eat anymore. What would you do if you linked up with me and you thought I was a real friend, but then when you've gone home, you've gone on Gumtree and you've seen your car there under my account and I've kept a spare key? She's moving now, mate.
Is that map still active, I think?
This has got to be a stage 2 plus, innit? Move, mate, come on. I'm being polite as I can, I'm doing the speed limit.
And Mini Cooper, you ever owned a Mini Cooper?
Yeah. I'll do a video on it if you want.
Just a bit of that. The interior is so shit. Oh! I like that.
What range has you got?
Autobiographies, shit like that.
What, they wrote a book about your Range Rover?
It's so smooth though.
Yeah, they got fat suspension, you don't feel the bump.
Can't feel no potholes, nothing.
What have I driven recently that's quite nice? I drove the Picanto. It was nice, man.
Smooth ride.
Nah, you just feel the potholes in it and you really feel the road. The guy behind me drove me insane. He's still moody about the corner. You got caught up. It's so dark and gloom in it all the time. It's hard to stay positive in the winter, but you know what we do, yeah? We don't give up. We try and stay positive. Hurry the car! It's a fucking 70 road. I'm gonna do 20 miles an hour. You're more of a threat to society than me. Sorry for touching your leg. But yeah, man, positive thinking is what it's all about this time of year. Aww.
I'm as gutted as you.
I'm not that good, mate. It's alright. To be fair, this is a nice lighting to drive in because you can see other people are coming and you can see the road, as in it's not dark.
Yeah.
Obviously this is more pleasant than pitch black. It's nice lighting, innit, to drive in. The only problem is this lighting's only here for 5 minutes of the day and then it goes dark again. There's a pheasant. You see it?
That's a duck.
That's a pheasant.
The pheasants are huge.
Gee, you can get small pheasants. How do you think pheasants are born? They're babies. I've killed a pheasant on my YouTube. Yeah, I run it over, bro, and I posted it online. Most people don't even want God to find out.
Are they not protected animals?
Pheasant?
Yeah.
But there was no security there. What, like seagulls and that? You know how the queen is?
Yeah.
You're not allowed to kill a seagull. The queen comes to your house.
I think you can now. Because she's dead.
Oh yeah, bro, I always forget the queen's dead. Who's the king again? Which is his name? Williams?
Philip, isn't it?
King Philip. They used to tell me that as soon as there's a king, he pulls up a sword, he starts punching up the owner of Syria.
Yeah.
Starts slicing Afghanistan. This guy is in bed. I think he's got dementia. I don't think he knows he's the king. Probably bear rich though, innit?
Oh.
King?
You don't need to go to A&E. He's got A&E in his palace.
Has he actually though?
100%.
What, they've got an A&E waiting room in their palace?
He's got nurses on standby.
Seriously? No, but they are getting paid to sit around. How often is Philip dying for, bro? Oh, they must do everything in their power to keep him alive, though, because if he dies, they're out of the job. Then they've got to start looking after me, mate. I want to visit the Buckingham Palace one day. I feel like I've got to get an MBE. Do you think I can get MBE for this? POV drives? Philip's gonna love it, mate. Can you imagine Philip watching Yaris POV? And then giving me an MBE after it? You reckon King Philip's watching this right now? No, I don't think King Philip's watching me, you know, if in all honesty.
Oh, bro, it's Charles. It's
Who?
not Philip. King's Charles.
Oh, I thought you said it's Charles, like you've just seen Charles. So I was thinking, who the fuck's Charles?
Philip died.
Oh, so who's... Oh, the king is Charles. Who the hell's Charles?
The Queen's son.
No, it's meant to be the Queen's husband who's the king.
Yeah, but he died before the Queen.
That makes a lot of sense.
Then William.
Who the hell is William?
Charles' son.
Who's Charles? Wait, Charles is the son of who? Wait, but he ain't never gonna get it, because I'm pretty sure the son is like 6 months old, innit? I remember when he was born.
William?
Yeah.
You don't remember when William was born?
Bro, they were literally... Instagram was a thing when they were born, and it was on there. Is that the one my mum loves?
Oh no, she's a little girl, man, that's God.
No, as in like she's a big fan. They're not actually in love having an affair. Because then that would make Charlotte my dad. How old is the king? Is he an old man?
He's got to be in his 70s, yeah.
Oh, so he's nearly finished as well. Wait, so the queen was like 80 when she died because she was so old. She must have had this child when she was 10. They let anyone be the queen now, innit?
Andrew, remember Andrew?
Who?
Kenny Fiddler.
That's all of them.
Theory.
It's not a theory, bro. If you don't know that, then what are you? Why are you defending them? You act like a percentage of the taxpayers' money goes to you personally to defend them. She's got guards, bro. You don't need to defend them. Wait, where's his missus?
You know Princess Diana?
Oh, yeah, no, I do. She's the one who died in the crash. Mrs. died in a crash. Oh, so he definitely won't be watching my videos.
Now he's dating a new bird, Camilla.
There's so many in this royal family, innit? No wonder. The Buckingham Palace is not even that big when you deep how many actually are in there. You know, it's got 20 bedrooms. Yeah, but you've got 30 man in your family. Son, King, has he got a son?
William. He's in his 40s and he's got a little boy. Maybe his little boy watches your videos.
How old's the boy?
I don't know. He'll be in some next private school. Imagine that he went to state school. I mean,
What, he just went to my school?
yeah, imagine that.
gonna be sick. I don't think I'd care though.
No, if you laid a hand on him, bro, you're getting life sentence. Deep.
Yeah, but
He'd be untouchable.
10 minutes with Uncle Andrew and he'll be touchable, mate. Oh, is Keir Starling the one that's so the Indian man got sacked, innit? And then it was Keir Starling. But what has my man done? This is what I'm getting to. What's he done for the planet Earth? Joseph Stalin, yeah. That's the I know who you're on about. Prime Minister of UK, Joseph Stalin. But he seems like, because we learn about him in school, so they just let some celebrity do it. So that means I can be a Prime Minister if I wanted. I would make some naughty rules. You know, I'd make it illegal to be horrible to me. Like, you're not allowed to leave hate comments on my YouTube videos. Or then you have to do a million years in the jail.
Still do YouTube if you're the Prime Minister.
No, I'd be busy closing deals. Sipping tea with Andrew. Because that's what you do as a Prime Minister, innit?
You get to talk to the world leaders too.
Like who? Oh, Kim Jong-un. What'd I say to him? I'm gonna ban chopsticks. What's your favourite Christmas film?
Nativity. Home Alone.
Oh, I love Nativity.
Nativity's good, I might watch it.
Mr. Poppy. Yeah.
I watched number 1 the other day.
I watched it yesterday.
Did you?
Yeah. Banging film. Mr. Madden's is a right moody geezer though. Go on. Come on, you lot come from countries like India. You can't even cross in the first world country. Oh, come on, you bloody van. Everyone's letting it off and I've got to be behind the diesel.
Oh yes.
I don't think it handles bad at all. Don't you think?
Yeah.
Like anywhere I point it and it's just, it does hook. You know, one big reason I waste so much fuel is, you know, people like this, when they just keep stood still for ages, so then your 1 minute drive ends up being 25 minutes because the guy in front was just parked up for fun.